prepare to witness an awe-inspiring display of the world's most powerful forestry machines. These engineering marvels are reshaping the industry with jaw-dropping power and precision. Let's jump right in. Designed for selective thinning, this powerful feller buncher tackles dense forest areas like those in west-central Georgia with precision and control. Its robust design enables efficient thinning that supports forest health. This machine stands out in the industry for its smooth operation and reliability in challenging terrains, making it a go-to for sustainable logging. With high productivity and adaptability, this forestry machine handles a variety of terrains, processing trees quickly and reducing environmental impact. Its sturdy build and innovative technology enhance efficiency and accuracy, making it an industry favorite for demanding forestry tasks. Built for versatility, this harvester pairs strength with agility, enabling seamless cutting and delimbing even in rugged landscapes. The ergonomic controls and dependable design make it an excellent choice for high-capacity forestry projects, where durability and ease of use are essential. Engineered for clear cutting, this machine's unique structure provides stability and precision, minimizing ground impact. It's ideal for clear fell operations and widely praised for its versatility, combining environmental care with top efficiency in logging work. This forestry shredder powers through dense underbrush, transforming vegetation into mulch with remarkable speed. The machine's robust cutting tools make it an essential asset for land clearing and wildfire prevention. Known for strength and consistency, it's highly valued in large-scale forest management. Purpose-built for vegetation control, this high-efficiency cutter performs exceptionally in challenging forestry environments, slicing through thick brush with ease. Its reliable engine and precise cutting action are essential for professionals who require dependable performance in tough conditions. A straightforward woodcutting technique using shims enhances safety by managing the fall direction. When positioned strategically, shims prevent pinching and guide the descent smoothly, offering a simple yet effective way to ensure control during logging. By shredding dense forest underbrush into mulch, this forestry shredder is key for maintaining clear forest floors and preventing wildfire spread. Its powerful mechanisms make it ideal for land upkeep, allowing managers to maintain healthier forest areas with efficiency. This high-low pine sawmill system maximizes lumber processing efficiency by accommodating both high and low logs with precision. The advanced cutting technology ensures consistent wood output, meeting the demands of large-scale operations with reliability and flexibility. Using a chainsaw with skill and care, the professional logger fells trees with impressive control, ensuring a safe fall for every cut. This technique demands precision and is essential in responsible forest management, showcasing expertise in handling every stage of felling. Equipped with a chainsaw and hydraulic tools, the logger skillfully guides each tree's fall, ensuring safety by directing it with accuracy. This method is highly valued for its added precision, offering a safer approach when working in tight or complex spaces. Tackling a nearly 2-meter-wide tree, the logger demonstrates both strength and expertise, managing the challenging cut with a powerful chainsaw. Handling such massive trees requires skill and specialized equipment, marking this work as both demanding and respected in forestry.